Model, 65-plate Vauxhall Vivaro 2900 Sportive 1.6 Cdti starts runs needs turbo VAT inclusive. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 143,095. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6115 PSE5A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Check engine light on the dash. Engine is perfect, starts and idles correctly, just straightforward. Turbo replacement job. VAT is included in the final price, absolute bargain. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, air con, 2 keys,